Could you please give me a brief detail about the task you want to create?
Hey, I need someone to get the Q3 sales report ready. Let's have Priya Sharma take care of it. She should finish it by July 5th, 2025. This one is very important, so make it as a high priority. Basically, she needs to collect a sales number from all the regions and create a final presentation deck for leadership.
Warning missing fields. Assigned by. Please speak again and provide the missing details.
This task is assigned by Ganesh.
Task title Prepare Q3 Sales Report for Leadership has been successfully created. It is assigned to Priya Sharma. Planned for 05 June 2025. With the priority of high. Status is to do.